Namaskar everyone.
नमस्कार मैम।
Good morning, ma'am.
Namaskar. Good morning, beta. Namaskar.
मैम
Yes.
मैम, last time you were told us about making the questions from the Google form and all that. Then now what we have to do from that questions?
That you have to share in the group and everybody has to click on the link and they will attend your quizzes. Okay, suppose we have
Document.
20 students. Yes. Have you made in documents? Word file? If those are
Yes,
made in
ma'am.
documents or Word file, they can share in the group. Student will write down in pen and paper. Okay? And those are made quizzes in Google Form. Their students are going to click on the link and they will attend your. Okay? Got it, everyone? Good morning, beta.
Okay.
Good morning. Yes. Let me see who all are there. Dharmi, how are you, beta? Dharmi Verja.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, beta? Dharmi?
Fine.
Fine? Okay, that's great. Do participate in the class activity, okay? Fine. All of you, join your hands, close your eyes. We are going to start the prayer, okay? Who is going to speak the prayer? इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. Who is going to start? Okay, Janil, you have to complete and show me in the group so that I will at least write down that you have completed the work, okay? Fine.
Okay, ma'am. I will today only.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said? What we heard?
Okay. Yes. Let's start. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. Then we will start the class. Okay. Today, anyhow, we are going to complete 2 topics. Join your hands. Close your eyes, all of you. Okay. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तो हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे. हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे. बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हमें सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण. फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन. अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर मन का कोना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. All of you, God bless you. I hope you will have a better day today and happy Eid, all of you. Enjoy. I know on the occasion of Eid, we are all taking classes. It is needed because we need to revise whatever we have learned in these 2-3 months. Okay, fine. So first thing that we are going to learn or revise is your dependent clause and independent clause. Okay, so what we are going to learn today or revise today, that is your dependent and independent clause. Okay, so today we are going to revise dependent and independent clause. Will you tell me what is the meaning of dependent? What is the meaning of the word dependent?
Ma'am, to depend on someone.
To depend on someone or someone.
To
So
depend on someone.
yes, you are depending on your parents. Okay, I am depending on something else. Okay, I am depending on my salary. I am depending on my other person, something like that. So dependent means when you depend on something, sahara, that means. Okay, and what is independent? Independence means
Non-dependent.
yes,
Not dependent on anyone. किसी के ऊपर नहीं रहना.
yes, that's right. So dependent when you depend on something or someone, and independent means you are free. Okay, depend on nothing or no one. Okay, now it is in grammar that we have to find out the clauses. Okay, find out the clauses, that clauses is dependent or independent clause. Okay, now first, but before that, let us learn how to identify whether the part of the clause or words or phrases, okay, we are going to learn whether it is clause, phrase or only a word. Okay, so phrase. Some people they get confused between phrase and clause. That I am going to clear you today. Okay. So phrase is a group of words. Okay. Phrase is a group of words. Okay. Group of words. Phrase is group of words which give you some meaning, not full, but some meaning. Okay. Some meaning to understand, not full meaning. For example, at night, in the morning, like this. So at night it is not your complete sentence, in the morning it is not your complete sentence, but sometime in spoken English we use the phrase to answer. Okay, if somebody would ask you, when did you come? So your short answer, incomplete answer is at night, in the morning. Okay, if I would ask you, where is my book? So instead of telling a full complete sentence, I can just say on your table. Okay, so on your table, in the night, in the room, outside of the home, these are known as phrases. That is not complete sentence. But in clause, what happens? Clause also a group of words which will have both subject and verb. In clause, you will have both subject and verb, and give you some complete sense, you can say. Complete sense to understand. Okay? So clause will have subject and verb, but phrase would not have any subject and verb. Okay? But clause you will have subject and verb, and it will give you some complete sentence. But the thing is that in dependent clause will depend on the independent clause, and independent clause also known as the main clause of the sentence. main clause of the sentence. So dependent clause will depend on the main clause of the sentence. Okay, and main clause is it is free. For example, you and your parents, you are fully dependent on your parents and your parents are free, like this. So here I am going to give you few examples and their definition. So here is the sharing. Give me 1 minute time to open that. See, don't get confused. If you are confused in any point of time, please let me know so that I will clear you today. Okay. Are you there, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wherever you feel confused,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you did not understand. Okay. This revision class, but I will clear you every doubt of yours. So as you know that here is an example that it is a file that I am going to send you in your class group. You can note it down in your FNB. Okay. So an independent clause, also known as simple sentence, and simple sentence has both subject and verb that I have already told you. Okay. And it will give you a complete thought or expression because it is independent. So it has everything over. Okay. Now what happens in dependent clause will have both subject and verb, but it is not complete sentence. Okay. You will have a group of words that you will have also subject and verb. Still it is depend on some other statement. That's why it will not give you complete sense. Okay, for example, I have passed the paper to the principal. I have passed the paper to the principal who is wearing blue color sari. So which part of the sentence is unnecessary? Will you tell me?
Ma'am, who is wearing blue color sari?
We don't need that extra information, right? So that is your subordinate clause or also known as dependent clause. If I would say only who is wearing blue color sari, will you get any thought or idea about the statement? Who is wearing?
No, ma'am.
So you will be confused why this sentence or statement has been spoken. You will not understand at all. Okay. But if I would say I have passed the paper to the principal who is wearing blue color sari, you will got all complete thought or complete sense. So this is the basic difference between main clause and dependent clause. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, for main clause you don't need to go for more detail, but to add the subordinate clause or dependent clause, you need
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Okay, let me write, then I will switch off the camera, then you will get. Okay. So in dependent clause, okay, at the beginning of this clause, we will have some conjunction. Okay, at the beginning of this clause, you will have conjunction. Okay, and also you can say it will join by relative clause. Relative clause. Okay, fine. So conjunction, that is also known as your connectors. Connectors which connect two different words, phrases or clauses. Okay. So connector can be your and, or, before, after, because, as soon as, okay, nor, either or, neither nor. So many conjunctions are there. These are the common conjunctions that I have written. Relative clause, which or relative pronoun, not clause actually, relative pronoun, I did wrong. Relative pronoun we have to use the word like who, which for the things, where for the place, and whom for the person, and that for both place and things and person. Who for the person, individual person, which for things, where for place, whom for belongings to whom or person, that for both person and things. So this is your relative pronoun. So these would be at the beginning of the dependent clause. You got it? So most of the sentences or most of the dependent clause, okay, that begin with these kinds of conjunction and relative pronouns. There are many in the conjunction, but I have written only few. If you want to know more, you can search or you can take a note from grammar book. Okay. Now let's see and try to find out whether the conjunction whether the sentence is in dependent clause or fully independent clause. Can you see the sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can share. So what is the question is asking? See, we have 10 questions, okay, and few words have been underlined. You have to focus on the underlined word and we have to identify the underlined word is your dependent clause or independent clause or not any clause. Okay, right, fine. So first question is, although it was raining, Maria went for a jog at Tibetan Park. Although it was raining, Maria went for a jog at Tibetan Park. Although it was raining, dependent clause. Very good. Dependent clause. Very good. It is depending on the second clause. Yes, very good. Well done.
Ma'am?
Second question. Yes, Lakshya.
No, ma'am, I am Agastya.
Oh, Agastya, sorry. I have not been sharing this, so I could not see you. Yes, Agastya.
I doubt is that over here in the only we have to see that on dependent, on front or back, there should be the relative clause, means WH words and on a starting or on a starting conjunction would no.
Yes. So it can be at the beginning of the sentence or at the middle of the sentence, okay, or end of the sentence. So you have to find out from where the sentence or clauses has been started. Now let's see question number 2. Okay, Brianna eats chocolate whenever she gets a poor grade in math.
Dependent clause.
That is also dependent clause. Very good. Well done. Good. Yes. Okay, moving to question number 3. After the flood, the family moved into a temporary shelter. Yes.
Dependent clause.
No, it is wrong.
Not a clause.
It is wrong.
Not a clause. Ma'am, it is not a clause.
Yeah, it is not a clause. Very good, Isha. It is not a clause. As I told you that in dependent clause and independent clause, we have both subject and verb. And it is only after the flood and there is no subject, no verb in the sentence. So this is actually prepositional phrase. Okay? After, before, these are also known as preposition. So this phrase is known as prepositional phrase. So this is not a clause. Now question number 4. While walking at the park, John saw a raccoon eating potato chips.
Independent.
Wow, good, very good. Yes, John saw a raccoon eating potato chips. That is independent clause. And
Independent.
while working at the park, that is dependent clause. Very good. Good job.
Yeah.
Question number 5. Students enrolled in bachelor's. Okay, listen this question. It's confusing. Students enrolled in bachelor's and associate degree programs must pass the. Please mute yourself.
Independent.
Okay, I'm going to mute you all. Okay. Okay, somebody has unmuted him or herself, and we had lots of noise because of that. Okay, student enrolled bachelor's associate degree programs must pass the Regent test as a graduation requirement. So this is your independent clause. Okay, it is the full sentence is independent. Yeah, the full sentence is independent because it's not depending on anyone. Now, question number 6, that is quite related to the question number 5, but it is a different thing. Students who fail to show off for the Regent test must enroll in the Regent remediation course.
Dependent clause.
Students, okay, who fail to show up, that is your dependent clause. Very good. See, you understood this topic. Good. Now, question number 7. When you finish your homework, please take the dog for a walk. When you finish your homework.
Independent.
Dependent.
Oh, sorry, dependent.
That is dependent.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you are going to take exam, okay, online, and there will be MCQ based question. Once you click the wrong answer, okay, wrong options, and you submit the paper, you cannot say sorry or something like that. So before that, you have to think which one is correct. So this is your dependent clause. Question number 8. After Juan completed the assignment, he stopped laps at the gym.
Independent.
This is also dependent clause. Okay.
Ma'am, independent will not come.
No. How it is independent? After John completed is it complete sentence? No. Okay. Question number 9. Krista left home at 4 a.m. since she had to drive to Atlanta for a meeting.
Independent.
You check the underlined word. Okay, you check only the underlined words. That is, since she had to drive to Atlanta for a meeting. Since.
Independent. Ma'am, dependent.
Home at 4 a.m. That's enough. For what she is leaving home, we don't need the reason. Yes. If I'm saying somebody, I'm taking class. I'm taking English. I'm taking a class because it's my period. Tell me which one is dependent clause. I'm taking class because it's my period.
Because it's your period.
Because it's my
Ma'am, dependent.
So I am taking my class. That's enough information. It's my period or not my period. That's not necessary. Okay. So here Krista left home at 4 a.m. That is enough information for us. Why? For what reason? Where she will drive? That's secondary matter. Moving to question number 10. Before completing the assignment, Ivan decided to eat a quick lunch.
Dependent.
Okay. Dependent clause. Okay. So I'm giving you 2 minutes time, not 2 minutes, 5 minutes time, okay, to complete task number second. Here it is on your screen, because I would have given you this as homework, but I don't want to give you. Complete within 5 minutes.
Ma'am, we have to write it in where notebook, no?
Yes, you have to write in your grammar fair notebook. Whatever we are doing the revision work, okay, write down the topic, revision, okay, revision, start and topic, then you go on of writing.
Ma'am, can you give this PDF, share this PDF in our group?
Class group?
Yes, ma'am. Or in Rocking Star group.
Share. No, I am sending in the class group so that those are not there, they can.
Ma'am.
Also, okay, sending you. Give me one time so that you can download. Okay, I have sent you. Okay. This is your task number second. Quickly do it. You have 5 minutes time. See, chapters, question answer and short question frame that you can do by yourself, okay? The doubt you will have in grammar and writing. So let us complete that part, then chapter we'll do later on. If you have any doubt, I will clear you. First question is, Johan continued playing although he injured his knee.
Dependent.
I'm not asking now. I'm just reading all the questions. After 5 minutes, I'll be asking you all the questions. Okay? Second question is, I thought that the offer was too good to be true. Question number third, while I was scrubbing the floors, Juliet was watching television. Next question number 4, although tired and grumpy, Laura agreed to babysit for her sister-in-law. Inspired and energized, Sin solved the case of the missing energy drink. Question number 6. While driving home from spring break, Maria saw a tornado touchdown. People who drink and drive should be arrested. Ever since my daughter purchased a ferret, I have noticed that authors describe their bad guys as ferret-like. Question number 9. Such descriptions are not fair to ferrets. Since I could not go to the pancake breakfast, I gave away my ticket. This task has to be written in your FNB, okay? See, students, as I have already told you that we are going to give you mark, okay, for your test notebook submission, your presentations. Okay, 10 marks in your hand. Only to complete your notebook properly.
Ma'am, ma'am, we have to write this in grammar notebook or fair notebook?
Yes, you have to write. You have to write in grammar fair notebook.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Give heading as revision tasks, grammar, topic names, that is dependent and independent clause. And whatever I have taught you, whatever the important things I have shared with you, note it down. So whenever you need, you can open your notes and read out. Done, all of you? First question done?
Yes.
Okay. Joan continued playing although he injured his knee. So although he injured his knee, it is dependent, independent, or not?
Dependent.
This
Dependent.
is, yeah, this is a dependent clause. Very good. Well done. Question number second. I thought that the offer was too good to be true.
Independent.
I'm independent.
Independent.
That offer was too good to be true. Yes, that is independent, because without that part, the sentence is incomplete. Okay. Question number third. While I was scrubbing the floor, Juliet was watching television.
Dependent.
That is dependent. Yeah, that is dependent clause. Good. Now question number 4. Although tired and grumpy, Laura
Dependent.
agreed to wait for her.
Dependent.
That is dependent clause. Good. Nice. You guys are doing very good. Question number 5. Inspired and energized, scene solved
Independent.
case of missing.
Independent.
Yes, that is
Independent.
Question number 6. While driving home from spring break, Maria saw a tornado.
Dependent. Can you wait for some time? My remaining.
Dependent.
Okay, Jen, complete that.
Dependent.
Dependent, okay. Let's wait for him for another 2 minutes and we'll discuss last 3 questions. You take screenshot, okay? Other students, please show me where I have left my meeting. Okay. Other students, please show me your notebooks. Let me check how much you have completed. This time, every single day, I will check some notebooks, okay? Show me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, see, don't keep any work pending, okay? If you keep the work pending, it will be like burden for you. Even we also feel same thing. When you got the work, just complete it. Dharmi beta, you show me your notebook. I haven't checked your notebook yet. Dharmi, Mirza. So today,
Ma'am, I am
Dharmi,
outside.
where are you, Dharmi?
Ma'am, I am outside.
Outside mean where? Turn on your camera. Let me see you. Dharmi? She left the meeting. Okay. Gracie Bharadwaj, show me your notebook. Whether it is completed or incomplete, beta, show me. It's okay. I know anyhow you have to complete because you also need 10 marks, no, for notebook. Okay, Janil has completed.
I have also completed, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's discuss. Okay, last 3 questions were left, right? People who drink and drive should be arrested.
Not a clause.
Who drink and drive.
Ma'am, depend.
Because no, it is not dependent or independent. Because who drinks and drives. Okay.
Ma'am,
It
can
is
you
not
tell
a
answer for fifth and sixth?
fifth and sixth. Although tired, that is your dependent clause. Sorry, fifth number you
Okay,
said,
ma'am.
no?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
fifth number is your, okay, fifth number is your independent clause.
And sixth?
Sixth number is dependent clause.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, seventh number we have done. Now, eighth number. Ever since my daughter purchased a ferret, I have noticed that author described their bad guys as ferret-like.
Dependent.
Dependent.
This is dependent.
Dependent.
Okay. That is dependent clause. Now moving to next question, question number 9. Such descriptions are not fair to ferret.
Independent.
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 How it is independent?
Ma'am, it is not a clause.
No, it is a clause.
Ma'am, where is the
Totally independent clause. Yes, it is independent clause. You are right. Okay. Question number 10. Since I could not go to the pancake breakfast, I gave away
Dependent.
my ticket. Okay.
Dependent.
That is dependent clause. So you
Dependent.
all completed. Okay. We have completed the task of dependent and independent clause.
Ma'am,
Okay. Now quickly show me your task that you have done. Yes, beta.
ma'am, can you please tell me the answer of first and second?
First and second. Wait a minute. Task number 2, na? Practice paper 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first and second. So first number is your dependent clause. Okay. And second number is your independent clause.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, seventh and eighth.
Okay. Seventh and eighth. Okay. Seventh number is not a clause. Dependent you can, but it is not a clause.
Seventh
Okay, if
is
you
not a clause, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Eighth
ma'am.
number? Eighth number is dependent.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Checked. See, you student practice of writing, okay? Slok Upadhyaya. Have you done?
What are you talking about?
That means I said that maybe if the condition would be well, then we are going to reopen our school and you have to come to school, and if you don't have practice of writing, okay, you will be tired of writing. After 5 minutes you will cry that I have pen in my hand, I am not able to write the better. So you all practice of writing every day. Whatever work teachers are giving you, write like the way you do in the classroom. Okay. In the classroom you do everything, right? In 35 minutes or 40 minutes class you do writing and listening, understanding also.
Ma'am, between during the submission there was a free time, means there were no any class until the book was collected. So during that period I have done the paper, sample papers and revision sheet. Everyone has given, every teacher.
English?
No, ma'am. English
Okay.
a little bit remaining. And Hindi, I have not done. I will not done Hindi. मैं नहीं करूँगा, ma'am. I don't like Hindi,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, you should not say like this. But Hindi is our Rashtriya Bhasha. Okay, and we all should know. See, sometimes what happens? We speak wrong. We write wrong Hindi. It is really a question mark to us because we are an Indian. We should know. See, we are very good at English, so why should not in Hindi also? If I talk about my case in Odisha, we learn 4-5 languages. We learn Hindi, Odia, English, Sanskrit is compulsory, and our own mother tongue. I'm Kalahandiya. I'm Odia, but the part of Odisha I live that is known as Kalahandi. So I have to learn Kalahandi also. So if we can learn these many languages, so you can also. You have English, Hindi, and Gujarati. And Gujarati till 8th class, right? But in our school,
Ma'am, I have
we
one
had to
doubt.
learn. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in a app of school, there are revision sheet. That only we have to done now.
Oh, application you got. Okay. Yes, you have to do that.
Okay.
Yes. You have to complete those work. Okay. Complete it. If you have any doubt in the practice paper, let me know. By tomorrow, I will be sharing with you what are the things that are going to come in your PA1 exam.
Ma'am, can you tell what you expect my net
Grammar
was gone?
topic, whatever grammar topics there in the that will. Okay. Whatever grammar topics are there in the chapters that will come. The vocabulary, okay, word meaning will come. Vocabulary in the sense that like you have the word which we use in a both way, noun and verb, that is also that, and binomial. These are the two kinds of vocabulary that I am going to ask you in this PA1 exam. And word meanings from all the chapters. Which one is difficult for you? Please learn it because 4 marks of word meaning you will have. Okay, so 20 marks of your grammar, then 16 marks of your literature part, okay, and 4 marks of your word meaning. Okay, in this way you will have 40 marks of exam. So why you leave 4 marks? So instead of that you learn it, at least look at least you will have correct option to choose, right? And you will have only 1 hour time. After 1 hour of your exam, you will have the revision class. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you, I hope everything is clear today that we have learned dependent and independent clause and what is not a clause. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. I'm going to share with you a task that also you will do as a homework.
Ma'am,
Okay, complete your work on time so that you will not feel bored.
Ma'am, I have doubt
Yes,
in
Veda,
not
tell
in
me.
clause. Can you explain me again?
Which one?
Ma'am, not a clause.
Please write down in chat box. I'm not getting you. You have done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after the exam there will be regular classes.
Revision classes. Suppose today you have maths exam. After maths exam, tomorrow is English exam. Okay. So you will have a revision class for English. Likewise only. Only one class every day.
Okay.
Jenny is saying, ma'am, can I come to school? I don't like online. Beta, we are also waiting for you all. We also want you to see you all. We want to see you here only. Okay. So don't worry. You have doubt in not a clause. Okay, got it. Got this topic. Lakshya, you have doubt. See, if you will have no verb or subject in that clause, that means it is not a clause. As I have already told you, a clause has both subject and verb. If you don't find, that means it is not a clause. Simple. Jas Patel should not speak in Gujarati. Online में कंटाल पड़ गया, कंटाला पड़ गया. That is not even Hindi. Just you are very good at English. Just you should speak or write in English. My brother comes to school every day because nursery offline classes study. Yes, okay, that's great. They are enjoying their offline classes.
Boring over here. We want to also come like a slok at school every day.
Oh, Slok is lucky one. Yes, we'll have. Okay, fine, no problem. Just bye, all of you. Take care. Do complete your work.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye. Ma'am, attendance.
Bye,
Attendance.
ma'am.
Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, all of you. Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye. Bye, bye, beta.